Also new at noon, Covington is taking action against opioid manufacturers and distributors. The city has hired a law firm to sue those responsible for the host of problems created by prescription opioids. Now to your science, Allie Kramer joins us now. And Allie, talk about how this is impacting Covington.
Well, Ryan, obviously the loss of life is the biggest impact, followed by the financial burden that the city is dealing with to continue to respond to overdoses and treat those who want help. Now, authorities say the goal of the lawsuit is, of course, to recoup money from opioid manufacturers. Covington EMS Director David Geiger tells us that the budget for Narcan last year skyrocketed to $54,000. That's 6 times more than previous years. He says the department runs on at least one heroin-related call a day and saw a spike in the summer of 2016. But it's not just the expenses and supplies. It's training for the 60 crew members on staff. And it's not always about money. Geiger weighed in on the toll that it's taking on first responders.
We're responding into situations where we're seeing just the absolute devastation this crisis is wreaking on these families. And it's not just the patients themselves, it's their family members, children that may be present at the scene. And that certainly takes a very heavy emotional toll on our staff, requiring a lot of aggressive work with our staff to make sure we keep them in a good state of mind to go out and effectively perform their job.
Now, Kenton County and Boone County have filed similar lawsuits, but they haven't made it through the court system yet, so there's no telling how much a settlement could be. The city will not be paying attorney's fees or expenses unless the Covington-based attorney that they have hired is successful. Ryan?